Hello everyone, I have another strat for you. In this case, I have already tried the strat on indicator, the arrow indicator, but we are going to start using that to the financial market today. Remember that strategies can also be used in the financial markets, as long as this comes as price action are applied. So are we going to use those concepts plus and indicator? The idea is to try to out different markets so that you can get an overview. How do you use them? Let's start with an amount of $11. Okay, the expiration times is 1 minute. All right, let's add then temporary. The time frame right now 15 seconds. Glass candles, the indicators, and wait to put the ring and shows there. So let's use the arrow 25 on period and these colors for you. What is that simple strategy about, guys? I don't have to look for the trend first, by get the trend. I can enter a specify point as long as the wait for retracement. Don't get a red of myself. How do I set the trend? Okay, it's M5 enough. That is a downward trend. Okay, I know the trend is downward. I wait for a reversal and certain point and enter here. As the price is rising, we can pull back, and so I'm sure I can take advantage. And as long as it's confirmed, how do I confirm that? Well, I market the zones and based on the direction, the points, make decision when you get this on the arrow's line. For now, I'm going to wait for the confirmation on an entry financial market pair. When I have it, when I have the first entry, I will take the explain something important about this indicator. With this data, I could enter, guys, and look at this, the both lines. All right, the price is there, of course. I have to wait for the candlestick pattern or reversal in my favor to form to avoid enter too early. All right. So look at where the good points are right now. I have it to the downside. I was able to enter the point on 7 and 50. Okay, let's wait for that. But wait, it's falling. The movement you are studying as now. The M5 is also pointed downwards as the M1. So that's good, right? We got a good and uptrend, zigzag, and now we get another one. All right, so that is the point that I needed for that. I'm going to wait for that entry. So I'm going to fast forward the video when it atom, the arrow entry appears, and explain that. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Okay, the base enters dead right here. We got a downtrend. We got this as sell button on the price where it's a very high point. That is it. It's the buying zone, guys. Well, it's oversold. Oh, sorry, overbought. I see a strong reaction. Although, well, the end point is very far away, I could wait for at least all pull back and enter on the downside. Pay attention to that. That is the point. Okay, now showing on that in the downward trend. Look at this, but we can't see it there yet, right? Was that showing me the bearish trend? Everything points to the bearish trend, and the criterion to enter the movement based on the fact that it is a strong rejection. Perhaps maybe should enter early, but the point is there he didn't have much confirmation until this candle. Let's see the last 5 seconds, guys. The trades. Okay, that's a win for us right now. Oh man, we got this. $20, guys. That's just pretty nice. We got a win on that. I'm going back in. Okay, first position 1. I'm going to wait to see that it's just giving me the pullback and gives me that pullback. Then I would enter. Okay, look at this, the rejection zone. All right. That is our criteria to show us that's in an uptrend. That is pretty good, guys. And it's always good that you see the base on the points. I should that clear about the right. But if the indicators tells me that we needed confirmation, that point is above, it's not down. Yes, but look at the red part over here. Okay, that's is important. Pay attention to that. Look at what it has done in the past. Look at the head part. It's ready 100, and look here, it's ready 100, and there's is a note. And this is the point. That's why I'm using this criteria for entry based on that. Here I'm oversold at the price. Could turn around. Yeah. Look at the position. That's 2-1. We got this, man. Perfect. Half the second break quickly. $37 for one trend, but this one confirmation when it's get here. Now when I re-enter, possible when I reach 1.0. Okay, for that. See how he did it. Here I can literally only enter because I think they're enter late, but at least on this. But look, the entry is giving me in the crossover. It has already started. All right, so okay, that's the point, guys. I have to position. I'm going to trade tomorrow for I get, and let's see. Try this one. All right. Again, the sell button for that is no word. Look at this already. Went to the point over. Showed that. Okay. Theoretical buy not in time. Let's look at the ME1. Let's see that. All right. It's good red candle that's trying to get a correction or revert. Okay. And tells me this on the ring that's silently me. The price is ready. Dates the 1.0 and the reverse. And look at this point. Look at the red part. 100.0. You can all see the entries about the arrow. Okay. 100 to 0. All right. That's pretty nice. That's good. While ideally is the last few seconds. Let's see that. It's another win or perfect. It's the third win. We are next to get this one. It's about that. And look at this, guys. $68 in the total, man. That's a good and impressive amount with only 3 entries. Okay. That is, guys, is trying. Oh, just past the boundaries right here. It's just starting to go down. It's holding going down. Look at this. We still don't know if it's going to continue falling or that. This is a fake situation, but I can't enter the upside. I can't enter the downside either because it's so low. Look closely at I'm doing with the indicators, guys, and the zigzag is very good, right? This is helping understand the key movements we're making. Of course, it's not we're doing to enter all at once. Well, you always have to let the price make it as instructor, waiting for the last position amount of $68. Here's telling me that I'm almost there, but this candle does convince me. I mean, I need a strong candle to see. Okay, it's going up, reverse, it started here. I enter prefer the bullish reaction zone. The ring again marks the good one. 100 for that. I'm come that reduction points. Okay, that's what I need, but it's not going up here. I'm not doing this. I'm referring to this point. Okay. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Pay attention. That's what I'm telling me. It's not over or over both, so I make the decision. Of course, I'm in the counter. Yeah, this reverse, pull back. And could be that I enter when I shouldn't. Or maybe need more time, and anything is possible. We can try this, okay? That ME1 is telling me that's okay. It's a reverse in 100. I mean, that's coincided with 15 seconds. It's important to think about this strategy. You can take this, the extreme points of the indicators. And well, based on that, we got this third win. That's the fourth win, man. Right? I heard a talk. Well, it's the end. I won this. All right? I almost lose this, but I got this because I entered that count seconds later. We see that, look at the entry, but it pay off. But look at it, couldn't enter the upside because it trends down. It's support red part is low point indicators rejection. So that I can enter the upside against it. But this one very, very low. Okay. Indicators that is strength of upward movement. Well, the purchase. And this one indicators, guys, overselling and may conceded with this one starting to rise and this is starting to fall. So based on the candle's third part, and we confirm that entry at the end. I won. I raised my account to 11 to 126. That's impressive. You can use the indicators, guys, at very low time frames, such as 15 seconds on the chart. Of course, the expiration time is be 1 minute. If you like this video, guys, please like it and leave your opinion in the comments and let you know if you have used this financial market strategy and what you think of it. Of course, keep in mind that it's normal market right now. There is no volatility. If there is volatility, it's a different story. Okay, indicators with volatility don't work because they give me a false signal and it's a fake situation. That's already too late. So, well, see you in the next video, guys. Have a great day and see you later. Bye bye.